In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix products efficiently. Whether you're setting up a small online store or just getting started with your first digital presence, I'll walk you through the essential steps to make the most out of the Wix platform, all in just about 5 minutes. To begin, you'll want to log into your Wix account. If you don't already have one, setting up an account is straightforward and user-friendly. Once you've logged in, navigate over to your site's dashboard. This is your central hub where you'll manage everything about your site, from design elements to product listings. When you're in the dashboard, you'll find an option to Create New Site. Click on this to begin building your site from scratch or to start something entirely new. Wix offers a wide range of templates, so when you create a new site, you'll be prompted to select a template. Wix templates are tailored to various industries and styles, so take your time to choose one that suits your vision. Remember, you can customize it later, but starting with a template that aligns with your aesthetic can make the process smoother. After selecting a template, the next step is to set up your product page. Head over to the Product Page section and look for the option that says Manage Products. This area will be the command center for handling product-related tasks on your site. Once you're in Manage Products, you'll see a button labeled Plus New Product. Click on it to start adding your items. Here's where you'll need to decide whether your product is a physical item or a digital file. This choice is important because it affects how your product is listed and sold on your site. After choosing the type, fill in all the necessary details. Be thorough here. Accurate descriptions and clear images make a big difference for potential customers, so invest some time ensuring everything looks professional. Once all your product details are filled in, don't forget to click Save. This is a crucial step to ensure that none of your hard work is lost. Saving regularly as you go along is a good habit to develop, not just on Wix, but with any web management tool. With your product saved, you're almost ready to go live. But before you do, it's always wise to preview your site first. This gives you a chance to see everything as your customers would, so you can ensure there are no unexpected surprises. Once you're satisfied with how your site looks in the preview, you're ready for the final step. Publishing. Hit Publish, and congratulations, your site is now live for the world to see. And there you have it. A quick and efficient guide to using Wix products. Thanks for watching and happy site